Crush and or Passion have intercourse, do you think they will have horseshoes everywhere? What was going on? Hey Girly Pops, today we'll be making a digital quote book, right? So my community has been stemming up with a bunch of quotes from my live streams that I have been doing very good at. Like, I'm very consistent at it. Don't look at the live stream category. Anyways, you just gotta trust me. Trust the creator. To put this in perspective, there's a bunch of quotes from my live stream that is usually taken out of context or entirely insane. So if you think that this is gonna be an innocent video, you're wrong. Also, this is gonna be edited incredibly different from the last one. This is more craftsy and more aesthetic wise. So I'm gonna be editing it like as an aesthetic video. So if you believe that I should continue doing this, just make this more popular than the other video. I think it's gonna be it already is gonna be, because it's something that's more artsy and craftsy, and it's gonna be on the arts and crafts thing, because I guarantee you if my fingers gonna hurt. Anyways, we're picking 50 quotes. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna put all of the best ones, in my opinion, in a Word doc. This is gonna be like the most insane Word doc of history. And I'll find a way. I'll make a Google a digital book that has really aesthetic, and you'll see like it's not gonna match the vibe of the quotes at all. And that's the point. It's supposed to be funny. Anyways, yeah. You're gonna see all the terrible quotes that that's been boiling up in that pot for 2 years now. So let's get started, girlies. Okay, I'm sorry. Let's get started. Okay. So we're here in the Discord, and we're gonna be going through a lot of these horrendous quotes of all time. I forgot to hold on. We have a sticky note right here. Sticky notes. Is it lists? Bullet points. Okay, so we're gonna have this sticky note be right here, and the first one is he's unvirgining the virgin oil. Yep. Sorry. 5 streams at ties. That was a meme from a long time ago. It'll never come back, by the way. Never come back. Instead of streaming every day, we got freaky every day. Yeah, that's it. That's one of the quotes of all time. That's one of the quotes of all time. So yeah, this is actually very bad. Make the title Getting Freaky with Chat. We're still in 2024 and we already got 4. We already got 4 down. It's not even that. It's the same day. It's the same day. It's so bad. It's literally so bad. Among Us, bro, I was not drinking the gas. I lasted 4 minutes. Don't look at that video. Don't look at that video. Tie oil up now. I will break up. My gosh, it's so bad. It's the same day too. It's so bad. It's so bad. And he has 2 quotes already. Oh my goodness, it's like the worst video ever. It makes you tired. The freak are you talking about? I'm about to give top for free, bro. Huh? We're not gonna enter in 2025 before. We're not gonna enter in 2025. We're not gonna enter. Oh my gosh. If Crush and or Passion have intercourse, do you think they will have horseshoes everywhere? What was going on? What was going on in this? What was going on in the streams? Oh my gosh, it's actually so bad. It's actually so bad. It makes me want to do like only 20. Like the 20 best quotes of all time, because these are just so bad. Oh my gosh. Among Us was timed out by a yes. I like that quote. I like that quote. Ty, this is a radical move against my freaky people. Huh? I guarantee you. I have like I like funny company, bro. Bro, what? Did you just ban John Pork? Yes. I have a funny fan base. Not gonna lie, peeps. Not gonna lie. Will this ever come back? No. Bruh. Guys, did you know Ty backwards is what YouTube? What is going on? What's going on? Cringe random of all of those skibbities of them all. Huh? What is that? My favorite game is Beating Meat Simulator. Huh? I'm about to speak Russian. Is that it? Is that it? Bro. Oh my gosh, this server, I swear. Let's continue like I swear to LeBron James. This is just like I'm gonna get freakalicious. Count your days. God, oh, hell no, that's my moderator. That's my mod. Anyways, how many quotes we have? About like 10. Oh my gosh. 7, 8. Jesus Christ, we're not even in 2025. This is the same day, by the way. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This is the same day. Sorry. This is the same day, by the way. We're not good. I see. Ty, do you want to see Turtle do the worm? Just a day later. Oil up. I like oil up men. Huh? Keeping this. Yes. I'm gonna stop about 20. Not gonna lie. Like, people deleted their stuff. I love minors. Huh? Okay. Give me a chance. Okay. All right. That's out of context. All right, we're towards the bottom. Oh, it just went up. I like Finboys. Yep, we're getting that. We're at 15 now. We're at 15, right? 16. I am probably miscounting like crazy. 16. Yeah. I like minors. Huh? It's just like, don't ever. My tickle, it's binary. What? Okay, we're about to be at. I need to pee. Like, actually. Oh yeah, Bella the Wolf. Leave me alone, little bro. We're the same age, gang. Same age. I think next one is 20. So, yep, that's 20. Anyways, we have hit 20. Good. So I decided to make a poster in Canva, and I'm only gonna choose a handful of the best ones because I honestly don't. So this is gonna be really hard. Yeah, we're gonna add that one. Okay, first one is this. Oh my gosh, okay, so let's look up something cute. Cute animals, yeah. For freaking crying out loud. Okay, I can have some of these. Boom. Yes. A little bear right here, sticking out his hair. His head. I'm still sick. And then you have this right here. And we're gonna make that all about you. Panda, freak you. let's delete that. No, it'll be more funny if we just have this in Times New York. Give me Times Roman, or I don't know. Let's look at this. Okay, let's look at. Yes, that's fire. Cute animals, but we're gonna remove this and then put cute background, right? Just like we're gonna add that, adds the background, sandwich adds the background. And I love minors. It's the first one. Yeah, all right. Then we're gonna have stars. Just graphics. Boom. That's fire. The first page is done. I love minors. Add another. That's bad. That's really bad looks. All right, next one. We're only doing the worst ones and then putting something cute behind it. So we already know what the next one is. I honestly don't know why. This is a big quote, and like the fact is that like it's like ironically said in my chat. I don't condone this type of behavior, by the way. I don't go live anymore. Cute fruit. I don't know. So let's see what's a cute fruit you have in here. Oh, we had this. Nice little strawberry. Holy contrast. Boom. We'll put that right there. Yeah, and a fruit basket. Heck yeah. What was that? Oh, Central Focus. Next one. And like once you add like the this, it looks so good. This looks so bad. Next thing you have a cute background. So all the backgrounds will have something different. By the way, ribbons and like I don't know. I put all my effort in the first one. Oh, that's self-recommended for me. Bruh. Oh, that's so sweet. And we're gonna put like a bow on top of this. Oh, so cute. No, actually, this bow. No, wait, hold on. Go back. This bow is so cute. So bonita. And we're gonna put that right here on top of this statement. Yeah, these are good. These are looking really good. Next one. Tired the freak you talking about. I don't give out top for free, bro. Huh? I just don't love the fact that it looks so good, like in cursive. Damn, this quote is big. All right, bro. Let's see what the next thing is gonna be. I'm actually just don't know. That's tough. That is tough. All right. Worst recommended for you. Let me. Yeah, here, right. Dolphin. Coral reef. What the freak is that? Give it a little like. There we go. Oh, you can't even see that. Meadow fishes swimming. Now this one is the best one because I didn't know I can add so much stuff to it. One more. The last one. It has to be something insane. Something that nobody ever expected. If Crush and Orange Passion have intercourse, do they just leave orange juice everywhere? I have one freaking chat. With these, I have one freaking chat. I had. If I ever go live, this is a long quote. Why? Freak you. I chose it. Bruh. I'm just making noise. What the hell am I doing? The freak, can I not add it as one? So that one sucks. Get this out of my freaking face. What about this one? Says background, freak you. Alright, bro. Crody, we can put that on top. So there's really nothing here to use. Oh wait, here we go. That actually looks good without anything else. I'm gonna put like, there we go. Oh yeah. I have 20 quotes here, and I believe I counted wrong. Bruh. But like, there's a lot, and instead of streaming every day, we got freaky every day. we can have one more. 6. I don't like leaving things off on an even number. That's an odd number. Why am I talking? Next one. This one should be right here. Why am I crashing out? I'm just a chill guy that Loki doesn't give any single flying frags. What's gonna be next? Oh wait, there's more candy. Oh, it's not even candy. Candyman. Oh, the land recommended for you. Good luck. There we go. What else can we add? This is so bad with the content, with the like. There we go. We're done. Now, that's basically it all for me. So if you like this video, like and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys next Friday. Peace out. My fans are freaky as heck, dude. They're freaky as fuck. They're freaky as